Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. We're here today to talk to you about the Sea Ray 2021 310 SLX. What a beautiful boat this is. It's got the new quantum blue color in it. Absolutely gorgeous. It's powered by the twin Mercury, 300 horsepower. Plenty of horsepower for this boat. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 310 SLX. We're going to start at the back of the boat. Again, I mentioned the power with the twin 300 horsepower, ton of horsepower for this boat, really fast boat. Nice comfortable sun pad in the back. You can bring the seats up for reclining, and the storage underneath are absolutely fantastic. So you reach down here, and remember the old days we used to have the engine down here, but now that we have the outboards, we've got all this space for storage. It's unbelievable. Fenders, toys, lines, you name it, plenty of room for everything in there. So the back of the boat is great. It's got the sea deck all the way through into the cockpit. You got the shore shade, so you got plenty. This goes all the way back over the front of that as well. Very nice size, U-shaped seating, very comfortable. Has a triangular table in here so everybody can put their drinks and food on the table. And across we've got a little setup here, a little prep area, prep station. And you also have a fridge with a little freezer in it as well. So very nice prep station, drinks, food, that type of thing. Seating here. And then also this particular seat here does a couple of things. So it's very comfortable, two-person seat facing forward. And then if you want, you can flip it and move it around. So now you've basically got a 360 seating area. Very, very comfortable for about 10 adults. Nice seating. You get the sunshade that is manually put backwards. Don't you do that yourself? And then also very comfortable helm seat for two people. They're not always like that, but this particular one is. You've got the twin recessed touchscreens, so very, very nice electronics on it. Digital throttle and shift, and then you got the joystick. Joystick does everything. I can put this boat anywhere, any time, any conditions. Goes sideways just by touching it to the side. It also has skyhook, locks me into position. So if you're waiting for a slip assignment, or if you're watching the sunset, you point the bow at it. You can go up front, sit there, have a nice glass of wine, enjoy yourself. When you're all done, you just hit the button, take it off. And a very simple autopilot, it's called auto heading. It's a point and shoot. You just point the boat at it, you hit the button, it'll take you wherever you want to go. Much more relaxing for the captain. So then we've got, as I move this back, you've got the head, real nice roomy head. You've got a window in there for extra daylight and some fresh air. Sea deck in the floor, and then you get the vacuum flush head. You got the electronic panels conveniently located right here. And then up at the bow, very nice setup, very comfortable. Twin lounges here, plenty of room for everybody. You got two tables, you can have one here and one here. And handrails, the boat does everything well. It's a beautiful looking boat. So if you've got any questions, my name is Bob Freeman. Give me a call at 603-213-1194.